it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by a gingerbread house and cookies, and let's get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is to prepare for foundation, contour, and eyeshadow, and for long-lasting wear. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Morphe Chocolate Hill palette in the shade Roxanne and Butter. With a shaded brush, I'm packing Roxanne onto my eyelids and up to my crease, and to blend out the crease area I use the shade Butter as a transition shade. On the lower lash line, I mixed Butter and Roxanne. If it's messy, don't worry, it'll be fixed by concealer. For the inner corner of my eye, I used the shade End Light from the Morphe Chocolate Hill palette. For graphic liner, I used the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in Space Panda. I made a rounded graphic liner that shapes my natural eye shape, and I made it as if I were gluing the houses together for Gingerbread house. And for eyeliner, I used the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in the shade Grease. I gathered my rhinestones and I bought it from Amazon. I used the colored red, orange, green, purple, yellow, and blue. I put the rhinestones all along whatever line I had on my crease on the graphic liner. I made sure that they're both even on both of my eyes, that they're the same inch away from each other and same color. And that's about it for the explanation for the rhinestones. For false lashes, I used the Ardell lashes in a Style Wispies. They come in a 5-pack. I went back to the Silver Beauty Hydro Liner in Grease as mascara and to touch up my eyeliner along my upper lash line. For both foundation and concealer, I used the LA Girl Matte Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural. I put it all over my face and along my neck to make sure I don't get any flashback. If I do, at least it's blended all along my neck. For concealer, I use the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Espresso. I contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my temples. Since this foundation is matte finish, I need to blend right away and do it section by section. For lip gloss, I use the Little Lip Treatment in Lemonade. For liquid lipstick, I use the ColourPop Liquid Lipstick in the shade Beeper and blend it with a lip brush so I can create my own lip gloss. Yes, queen! And that's it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!